Tell you what, it's absolutely thirsty work here. We're looking at 35 degrees already. It's just started to become midday. Whew.
Walk along that bit.
Yeah, is that the quickest way to the Waffle House? So it's another belter of a day today. 33 degrees and it's only 9:30 in the morning. Join us as we go to Icmeler for the day. Do a little bit of shopping, have a little peruse around the beach and see what we can find. Come along for the ride. I just arrived at Icmeler and I think it's time to do a bit of drone work. Let's go find ourselves a nice bar, have a sit down, cold drink. Let's get our eyes in the sky. Tell you what, it's absolutely thirsty work here. We're looking at 35 degrees already. It's just started to become midday. Whew.
Want to walk along that bit?
Yeah, is that the quickest way to the Waffle House?
I don't think it makes a lot of difference as long as you go in this direction. Up somewhere.
We heard the lady. Next stop, the Waffle House. Well, look at this fine work of art we have here. I'm not going to be speaking for too long because at 38 degrees my ice cream started to melt, so I'm going to dig in. Well, that's it from Icmeler today. Thank you very much for watching. What a beautiful little town this was. Do join us on the next one where we'll be going on some sort of jeep adventure and or boat. Until then, goodbye.